The success of your Zendesk migration depends on your preparation. Let's see how to run Zendesk Demo Migration. First things first, do some settings in Zendesk. That includes the following steps. Create custom fields with a matching type. Set up save replies macros. Add agent profiles. Activate Zendesk Guide. Then disable triggers, automations, and conditions. Now, start Zendesk Demo Migration. First, log in or sign up for your Migration Wizard account. Then pick your source platform. The app will ask you to provide the needed credentials or sign in with your source account. Connect Zendesk as your target platform. You need to provide the URL of your company's Zendesk account, and then sign in with your account. After that, define the help desk and knowledge base data you want to transfer. If you choose groups, match them. Click on Match Items to map groups. You can add the missing groups or pick up the default group on Zendesk. Then match agents' profiles. Agent matching is similar to group matching. You match agents, pick up the default agent, and add the missing agents if necessary. Afterward, map ticket fields. When migrating to Zendesk, you can map both default and custom fields. Do it carefully to preserve data relations. If you haven't created custom fields on Zendesk before migration, you can do it while mapping. Lastly, click on Save to apply settings. Then move on to the article mapping. When you've done that, you can choose the needed automated option. When migrating to Zendesk, you can add a new tag to the migrated tickets, migrate inline images as ticket attachments, skip attachments, one-time demo with custom data for tickets and articles, migrate content translations. Finally, press Continue to start demo migration. During this data transfer, our tool moves 20 random tickets and articles from your current help desk to Zendesk. As soon as your demo migration finishes, you will see a table with 4 columns. All available records, migrated records, failed records, skipped records. Look through the results by downloading reports on migrated, failed, and skipped records. When you've checked everything, pick up the suitable support package and proceed to payment. Now you can start the full data migration.